Leisure Sound Effects by Digifx Series G is People at Play. This is a collection of all the things we do for relaxation and having fun. Whether it's outdoor fun on the water in a canoe, kayak, or sailboat, or indoor fun at a casino, recreational swimming, an evening out at the theater, or nice dinner at a restaurant, the Leisure Series is there for you. The 450 stereo effects are available on 5 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete set or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast wave files. Leisure Sound Effects by Digifx Series G, only from Sound Ideas.